Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we dive into the deep end of product comparisons. And trust me, today's a cannonball. If you're looking to capture life in all its glory, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're comparing two mighty contenders in the world of mirrorless cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX G7KS and the Fujifilm X-T30. Grab your popcorn, because this is about to get spicy. Let's kick things off with the price tag. The LUMIX G7KS comes in at a wallet-friendly $697. Reviewers have praised it as a fantastic value for a versatile camera option. On the flip side, the Fujifilm X-T30 struts in with a price of $899. While it's a bit pricier, many users feel it's worth the investment for its high-quality features. So are you feeling like a Michelin star or a food truck? Decisions. Now, let's talk about image quality. The LUMIX boasts superb DSLM image quality without the bulk and weight of traditional DSLRs. Reviewers are impressed with its image quality and 4K video capabilities. Meanwhile, the X-T30 comes with a 4th-generation X Trans-CMOS 4 sensor, which minimizes noise while extending sensitivity to ISO 160. Users have noted that it produces clear images and high-definition features, making it feel professional. It's like having a superpower that makes your photos look like they were taken by a professional photographer. Alright, let's focus on autofocus. The LUMIX has fast and precise autofocusing that tracks subjects like a hawk eyeing its dinner. Reviewers have highlighted its excellent handling and fast autofocus. Now, the X-T30 takes it up a notch with its X Processor 4, boasting autofocus in just 0.02 seconds. Users love its ability to track moving subjects in low light, making it a top choice for those who want speed and accuracy. It's like a camera with a PhD in capturing moments. Next up, video capabilities. The LUMIX G7KS can capture 4K Ultra HD video, which is perfect for recording those dramatic moments. Reviewers appreciate this feature and its ability to pause and save 4K photos. The X-T30, however, is like the action hero of video cameras, recording 4K at 30 FPS and even doing 240 FPS at 1080p for slow-motion shots. Users love the 10-bit color recording, adding a professional touch to their videos. It's like adding truffle oil to your mac and cheese. Finally, let's talk sharing. The LUMIX has integrated Wi-Fi, allowing you to instantly share photos of your life's greatest moments. Reviewers find this feature super convenient. On the other hand, the X-T30 is made for sharing too. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, it connects to the Fujifilm camera remote app for easy downloads. Users have noted how seamless it is to share their vacation pics, making it the extroverted friend of the two. Overall, both cameras have received positive reviews with their unique strengths. The LUMIX G7KS is praised for its affordability, impressive image quality, and versatility, while the Fujifilm X-T30 is celebrated for its premium features and professional image quality. Both are excellent choices depending on what you need. So who's the winner? Well, it all boils down to your needs. If you want a lightweight camera that won't break the bank and capture stunning photos, the LUMIX G7KS is your buddy. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for top-notch autofocus and amazing video capabilities, the Fujifilm X-T30 is waiting to take you on a wild ride. Remember, whether you're capturing memories or just trying to make your friends jealous on social media, choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, Subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which camera you'd pick and why. Until next time, keep buying smart and capturing life's moments, even the embarrassing ones. Bye for now.